Nasa Boracay kamengke. Joke lang. Welcome to Boracay!
Bili ako na dalawang house blend coffee.
French vanilla. Water.
Bibili ako ng Casa-Daza kasi hindi tayo umorder ng...
Ano naman po yung binili mo, madam?
Bumili ako ng Casa-Daza.
Ano yun? Empanada?
Empanada. Hindi ko alam kung same rate siya sa labas. Pero dito 110 ang isang peraso.
Yung box?
Yung box of 6, 630. So, tipid ka ng 30 pesos pag box of 6.
Ito ay box of 6?
Box of 6 pero nagpa-add ako ng isa.
Gonna have the sea witch.
One original glaze but in isang
Pagkain. Kasi,
Ayan na yata yung plane eh. Ayan na yung plane eh.
na.
Magpo-board na tayo. At dahil break ng mga bata, sobrang daming tao ngayon dito sa NAIA Terminal 2. Dito na tayo umupo. Where are we going? Boracay! Boracay!
We have landed at Boracay Airport. It was a pleasure having you on board and I look forward to serving on again soon.
Saan tayo galing? Ito pala dito. So sasakay tayo papunta sa airport.
sticker daw sa damit.
Henann Regency. Thank you. Oh, sana to may sarili silang pier. May sarili ba silang pier?
Oo, kaya naghihilang si Pomo yung agent ko sa...
Ah. Okay. Tayo sa likod.
Patagal ko.
We made it. School bus. Oo nga eh.
Ma'am, pacheck lang yung bagay po. Hello sir, welcome to my vlog. Ayan, dito kami sa Henann, ha? Sige ma'am sir, ingat po kayo in this day. Sana magkadami yung followers natin. Thank you. Enjoy. Ay, kaya.
Nakakatuwa sila.
Beachfront yan doon.
Yun na yung beachfront. Oh, okay. Henann Regency.
This is the actual hotel.
Yes. Ah. Wait, let's do a room tour. Room tour. Room tour. So this is Abuela's room and Nanay's room, 394. Next is Mom and Dad's, 393. Yan. Ikot natin. With bidet, very good. Shower. And everything lights. Hair dryer, toilet paper, tissue, soap, toiletries, shower cap, dental kit, shaving kit, button buds, and soap, shampoo and conditioner, shower. Let's take a look at my safe, umbrella, hanger, and this is the bedroom area. So may single bed and queen-sized bed. Telephone, okay. Light switches, floor lamp, coffee table, aircon, your vanity area / work area, TV, TV channel, and let's check out what's in here. Nandito daw yung complimentary na coffee and tea. They have made water dispenser outside the room, along the hallway. Drip coffee. They have their own branding, Creamer. White sugar, brown sugar, and yung tsaa. Must be the fridge. Okay, meron tayong fridge. Let's take a look. Okay, empty. In-room dining menu. Scan to view. Oh, we are going to try the spa. We're gonna book a massage. Let's take a look at the balcony. Say hi. Oh, look, Joaquin. Pwedeng mag-hang ng dito, ng clothes.
Nabasa.
After we eat, can we go swim? In the big pool?
Wow.
Can we go to the big pool to swim after
This is our view from the balcony.
That's a lining for a helicopter. Look, there's an H on it. I need to pee.
No, that's for Henann. That's for Henann. It's not a helipad. Hello, mic test. Mic test.
Hello!
First night in Boracay.
Kain tayo sa Jerry's Grill.
Anong masasabi mo sa biyahe natin kanina?
Sobrang smooth lang. Okay pala yun kapag nag-book ka ng hotel. Pag may kasamang transportation, i-avail mo na. So, para hassle-free. Pagdating mo sa airport, yung van papunta sa port. Tapos yung Henann, may lounge sila. Habang nag-aantay ka, pwede ka uminom tubig, may CR. Henann din yung boat. Tapos pagdating mo naman sa kabilang port, transport naman ulit ng van nila. Sobrang hassle.
Hindi ko nga na-expect na ganun siya ka-smooth. After natin sa airport, dumiretso tayo sa pinaka-lounge nila.
Oo.
Tapos doon na pala yung boat
Oo.
papunta.
Actually, yung boat ride, akala akala ko mga 45 minutes, pala 5 minutes lang.
5 minutes lang, no?
Oo. Tsaka sobrang polite at saka magalang talaga yung mga
Yung staff.
Oo. Sobrang smooth lang talaga.
Ano masasabi mo sa room?
Para sa deluxe, sobrang okay siya. Spacious, may veranda,
Elegant din.
elegant. Tomorrow, lakad-lakad tayo, tapos mag-swimming sa pool.
Sa pool tsaka sa beach.
At saka ang maganda dun sa room, may kasama ng breakfast. Buffet breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Shakes Island Beach Resort. Chachas.
I was trying to find gift cards until I realized this is another country.
Where are we?
Boracay.
Boracay.
Peanut butter classic. Flat weight. No,
Cloud 9?
just 13 pesos. Can you believe that?
Coffee tayo. Dito tayo sa coffee table. I-feel na natin yung first night natin sa Boracay.
Coffee habang chocolate.
Pinuksan na natin yung drip coffee.
Ang sarap siya, ano? Kahit walang sugar.
So tomorrow morning, dito tayo magka-coffee. Pero magbe-breakfast tayo sa buffet.